What is up, guys? It's your boy. You already know. Sometimes I want to be like, it's your boy Evian. But a lot of you guys don't even know I make music under the name Evian. Link in the bio. Anyway, I wanted to hop on here real quick and just kind of touch base with you guys. Huge thank you for all the support. I mean, the subscribers have gone through the roof in the last month alone, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I know I've been kind of off with posts for the last probably half month or so. I've been really getting back in the gym, guys, grinding. I'm actually just leaving the gym right now. I had to stop over here at Safeway real quick. But I just wanted to come on real quick and kind of, give you guys a little video that's a little different than the usual content. When I first started this channel, let me rephrase that. When I first started posting long form content on the channel, which is very recent, about a year, I let you guys know I wasn't going to try very hard and it's just going to be for fun. That is still the case, 100% full send. However, having a little bit of fun with it, so I've been applying myself a little bit to the editing process and trying to stay consistent with the uploads. Anyway, I say that to say, I haven't forgot about you guys. I'm not done with the vlogs. I just needed to focus and kind of hone in on myself for a little bit and not worry about certain things that weren't top priority for me, like the vlog. I know you guys love it, and I've been getting messages, when's the next episode? We're waiting. Thank you guys. I really appreciate the support and the love. No complaints. It's not annoying. Please keep flooding the inbox. But I've just had to prioritize a few things, and I think I'm to a point in my, getting back into exercise where I can manage going and getting 2 hours in at the gym twice a day and, doing my job and uploading still. I mean, it's only like every week that I upload. It's not even that serious. And if I put a video out like this, cake. I mean, I'm literally sitting in the parking lot right now, just talking to you guys. So anyway, let me get up out of here. I'm sweaty. You guys follow the Instagram at GoodCake. You'll see I post some motivational stuff and my little workouts here and there, just to kind of honestly keep me accountable. It's not for any of you guys. I appreciate that some of you are getting motivated. Shout out Tan, shout out Ian and the homies. I really appreciate you guys, for real. Oh, hey, yo, check this out. We got the hearse over here. Big hearse energy with the whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey, yo, he got the, yo. Let's go. He got the mask on. They jamming, boy. All right. Yo, that low-key made my night, bro. I just look over. From here, I can't even see that it's Michael Myers in there jamming out. So when I zoomed in for you guys, I saw Michael Myers in there jamming. All right. Let me chill. Matter of fact, I'm going to pull up on him to end the video. Homie's in here right now. In here. You can't make this stuff up. I love you guys. I'm going to get out of here. Sorry for the zoom.